Which among the following structure helps some bacteria to attach to rocks or host tissues? Option A, hold fast. Hold fast structures are found in some algae and it helps them to attach to surfaces but not typically found in bacteria. So option A is incorrect. Option B, rhizoids. Rhizoids are the root-like structures found in some non-vascular plants and fungi, not bacteria. So that means option B is also incorrect. Option C, that is fimbriae. Fimbriae are the hair-like appendages found on the surface of some bacteria, and they help the bacteria to adhere to surfaces such as rocks, host tissues, and other surfaces, which is essential for colonization and infection. So that means the correct answer is option C, fimbriae. Now coming to option D, mesosomes. Mesosomes are the infolding, that is the invagination of the bacterial membrane, and are involved in the cellular processes like respiration. So that means option D is incorrect. The correct answer is option C.